Permatic double bending lines have been automating the tiring, laborious fabrication of concrete reinforcing steel in rebar shops throughout the world for more than 20 years. The material to be bent, pre-cut to length on a separate shear line, is transported on a conveyor up to the stop, counted, placed in the new loading system, and then automatically fed into the bending tools. The new Permatic N, featuring one mobile and one stationary bending machine, operates at high speed and with maximum precision. The operator performs all his tasks from a safe location. He neither places his hands in the work zone, nor does he intervene in the automatic bending process, a process which can be interrupted and restarted at any given time. Fresh bars are brought into position for loading. The pneumatic clamping system securely holds the material in place and provides for an interactive system of operation. Adopting this method ensures that production times are significantly reduced. At the same time as the finished shapes are offloaded, the next bars glide automatically down slopes into the tools ready to be processed. Let's take a bird's eye view of the process. A high-precision rack and pinion drive moves the mobile bender to the start position. The bars to be bent glide into the bending tools, and the automatic bending sequence is initiated. Here we can see the mobile bender being positioned by the rack and pinion drive, and the highly efficient collection system, comprising several stands and providing reliable, well-sorted and precise storage of the bars. Discharge and feeding of the new bars is completed in a single operation. The stands are equipped with rollers enabling them to be moved to the desired position depending on the bent shape. Synchronized, automatically traversing supports operate simultaneously as depositing devices. The shapes are lifted out of the tools. The supports ensure that the bars are guided with maximum precision and securely held in the horizontal position. Now the tool setup times. Permatic N double bending lines feature a truly impressive tool insert system with multi-dog gearing, producing reliable power transmission and ensuring long service life. Tool changing is quick and simple. The scope of supply includes a set of bending rollers, composed so that bending is nearly always performed in line with the appropriate standards. Bending hearts are available at extra cost for automatic bending in the clockwise and anti-clockwise directions, and which serve to speed up operations still further. The bending rolls are equipped with helical fluting that holds the bars down during the bending operation. The hearts are also of the insert type. The tool positions are shown on the control display, thus greatly assisting the operator. The new pneumatically operated clamps are easily adjusted at the front to the various tools by a lead screw. A few words about the centerpiece of the Permatic N, namely the control. PEDAX were one of the first manufacturers to introduce Siemens S7 technology at an early stage, and which is now used on nearly all shearing and bending systems. The software is of eminent importance for the operation of the machine, being responsible for providing fast, easy input and production data definition. Shapes are called up by numbers, dimensioned or redefined with only a minimum of input parameters required. You can now witness the production of double bends using the PEDAX bending hearts. Here again, the bars glide into the bending tools. The shape just entered is now being produced. The interaction between the mobile and the stationary benders, as well as the function of the new pneumatic clamping and holding devices, is clearly visible. So while one is moving, the other is bending in order to work in an effective way. The machine's high capacity means that several bars can be stacked and bent simultaneously. The current production status of the shape is indicated to the operator on the control display. Offloading of the finished shapes is initiated by a pneumatic foot switch. And now we go the whole hog. Bending is conducted in the top capacity range. The loading system is rearranged in a matter of seconds. The production data are entered direct from the tag using an industrial laser scanner. The operator takes care to ensure that the ribs are correctly positioned when feeding the bars into the tools. It quickly becomes clear why this is necessary when one imagines just how concrete reinforcing steel reacts to distortion caused by ribs. 2 bars of 32 mm diameter are bent simultaneously, both in the clockwise and anti-clockwise directions, without the need for any manual adjustment whatsoever. A bending attachment with banjo is available as an accessory, allowing bending rolls of 500 mm diameter to be fitted. Permatic double bending lines are to be found in operation in rebar shops where reinforcing steel is fabricated efficiently and economically, and where cost-conscious production is the order of the day. Regardless of whether it's in conjunction with mobile or stationary shear lines, as a standalone machine, or integrated in or linked to a material flow system. Here we have a steamer PEDAX combi line with a mobile storage facility, a cross-transfer table and a Permatic double bending line linked up. Several bars are cut simultaneously on the high-performance Cardomatic 500 shear line, transported on conveyors and transferred to a cross-transfer system, from where the Permatic is supplied with bars for bending. There can be hardly anything more easier and effective than that. The workflow remains uninterrupted and the production curve shoots steeply upwards. A steamer PEDAX pocket system is used on this particular line, a feature generating even greater flexibility. A touch screen with clear graphic icons also makes life for the operator decisively easier. The cut lengths are collected in the pocket system, withdrawn in random sequence and fed into the Permatic N for bending. That was it, our Permatic N double bending line. Impressed? You too should reap the benefits to be had. We shall be only too pleased to provide detailed information.